Departure Southwest 2722, good day.
Have a good flight. I like waving to people. Like, I don't think people in that plane would expect me to wave to them.
Skyhawk 904, lowering 2 right, turn right, 090, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 2 right to 090 for 12994. Center, Cessna 12994, checking in level 5000.
12994, Memphis Center, the Chattanooga altimeter 3044.
3044, 994. Alright, so I should explain the title of the video a little bit since it's kind of clickbaity. Not really. It was kind of the running joke between Brandie and I about the last trip we did, bringing Henry home.
Jet right 99 is 240 across lamps.
I filmed a little bit of that, but that trip got so busy that I didn't have a lot of time to film it. So here's kind of the basic synopsis. My friend Billy and I took the airplane up to Cincinnati on a very not VFR day, very IFR day, to go pick up a cat named Henry, who started his day at 4:30 in the morning in Manhattan. Went through a collection of cars to somewhere in Pennsylvania where another pilot, Rick, picked him up in his 172 Mike model. Very nice airplane. Flew him from there to Cincinnati Lunkin, where I flew up with Billy. We met him, picked the cat up. Lovely thanks to all the fine folks at Signature Cincinnati for supporting that mission. Went very well. Shameless plug. Where we flew back in hard IMC back to Nashville, landed safe, and sent Henry off to his forever home. So the things I liked about that trip, I have never taken this airplane or been in really hard IMC where there's nothing. I was full instruments, so it was valuable, very valuable experience. Number one, also got to fly my first approach in ILS back into Nashville. It was kind of clear, but then there was this layer at like 1,000 feet we had to go through, and just kind of got my first runway appearing out of the clouds experience. So that was really cool.
Altimeter 3046.
All right, so a little backstory on today's trip. Year and a half ago, I lost my dog, Jake, who I had basically since he was a puppy. I got him when he was 9 months old, 9 months old, and had him till he was 15. July 8th, 2021 is when we lost him. That was hard, and that was a bit of a struggle, but at the same time, you know, Jake lived a full dog life. He was 15 years old. I mean, that's fully what you expect, you know. That's so. While it was sad to lose him, you know, he was my companion through a lot of things, and he was my buddy. You know, he lived a full life. He went the distance. So not all bad, but I started thinking in kind of the wake of that of what can I do kind of to honor that. Like, you know, he had such an impact on my life, and obviously pets do that to people. So how could I kind of take that and pay that forward in a sense? And that's where I got connected with Pilots and Paws.
All right, we have the full crew assembled here. This is my co-pilot for the day. Say hi, Groot. Hello. Here we go, boys. Oh, you kitsy guy. Thank you. All right, Groot. It's time we said some departure things. Oh, buddy. You have a good day, okay?
Back on my favorite route today, flying to Atlanta. It's kind of what I do. Today we're going to Peachtree to Cal. Work trip.
What about the animal cargo?
North Nashville.
Just happens to be perfect timing for me to take a Pilots and Paws trip as well. So, Groot's riding with me. He's actually pretty calm back there. I had him in my office a little while ago while I was getting the airplane ready. He was very howly, so he's very calm in the airplane though. I almost wish I could take him out, but being by myself and not having anybody to help kind of handle the dog, I don't want to do that. So, sorry, buddy. Got to stay in your cage. I just heard Blue Angel 7, tee up. Where's he at? Oh man, that would be awesome.
18-4, Joey, and I.
Yeah, I just heard Blue Angel 7 again, calling in, getting the natural altimeter. They might be going to B&A today. It's their winter prep thing, unless they go direct into Smyrna, which they did that in the last couple of years. But hey, Blue Angel 7, you want to come over here and form up on me? That would be so awesome. That, I would retire. Oh, I just got assigned my first star. So we're flying the Buckhead 3 into Atlanta. I've never flown a star before. I'm excited. I mean, it's not like a thing, but whatever, dude. It's just that much more official as an IFR pilot. I like it. All right, Groot, we're almost there, buddy. All right, lights on. Make sure full rich, gas on both. All right, the first notch. 1, 2, 3. And we're established for 3 left. We're a little fast. Let's bleed some airspeed off here, huh? Hit it in the slip. There we go. I'm right where I want to be. Come on, come on. There you go. Got it. Down the airport.
Cessna 994, turn left at Bravo, ground point 6. Have a good day.
Left at Bravo and over to ground 12994.
One of the most rewarding things about doing these trips is seeing the look on the owner's face when they meet their pet for the first time. Groot's journey started in Oregon almost a week prior to when I flew this final leg with them, riding in a semi-truck with this guy. His name got changed officially to Flynn Rider, and that's what he'll be known as for the rest of his life in his new home in Georgia.
It was actually our third Pilots and Paws trip this year. We did Bruno back in the spring, obviously Henry we talked about earlier in this video, and then taking Groot, now Flynn Rider, to his forever home was our last one this year. Pilots and Paws is a great organization. If you're interested in joining, I'll put a link in the description where you can sign up. It's a great way to go flying and do some good for a charitable cause.